Hi guys. So in the last video that I posted about these 4-point TIC TOCs, there was some concerns and comments about um, how when I did my TIC TOCs, I always came straight back on each thing instead of stirring on every movement of the TIC TOC. And I just want to say, well, actually I didn't really think about that before, and I'm glad that that was brought up. The way that I was doing it is definitely still a 4-point TIC TOC. It's just easier. There's less going on, and I definitely recommend learning it that way first before you go on to the other TIC TOCs, because it's harder to do it this way. So what I wanted to bring up in this video is that the tip that I taught you in the first video still works to learn the harder TIC TOCs. So if you have not watched that video, I'd recommend watching it now, and here's a link. But now I will show you what it looks like to do the 4-point TIC TOCs, where you stir the stick on every part of the TIC TOC, and you can see that my trick still works. So when I start the TIC TOC, using my trick, you'll see I have to use my forward elevator and my right aileron, and that looks like that, just the same as the last time. But instead of going straight back over, I'm going to stir the stick and rotate the tail, and using my trick, it's the same thing, it's just going back the other way. So I'm going to use my left aileron and then my forward elevator, and it'll look something like that. And then the next part would be back elevator and left aileron, and that would look like that. And then the last part would be right aileron and back elevator, and that would look like that. And when you put that all together, you end up doing 4-point TIC TOCs without just coming straight back over. You're stirring the stick on the tick and the top. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you put it all together. I just started doing it this way. I just figured out that this actually works with my trick, so it's not going to be super smooth, but you can see that the trick still works. So it should look something like this. And there you go. So, yep, that's all I wanted to tell you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to watch that first video if you haven't already. Thanks.